Hey guys, this is Umang Steve and today we're going to be reviewing two body groomers from a new upcoming fashion brand called Fresh Cuts. And the models we're going to be talking about today are model BT3222 and model M3710. So let's get in. So we're going to compare these two products based on their functionality, their pricing, value for money, and how they look and feel in your hands. So if we talk about the pricing of these products, the model M3710 comes around 80 bucks and this one, model BT3222, comes around at 38 bucks. Now, if we talk about the model M3710, as I said, it comes around to 80 bucks. But why is it so expensive? It's expensive because it comes with all these attachments with it that you can use on your face, your body, your nose, and everywhere you can imagine. It helps you keep a maintained clean and hygienic body and face. And now, if we talk about the BT3222, it only comes with one attachment, which you put in like this. And you can adjust the settings here and you can use it anywhere on your body, but it doesn't come with multiple attachments. Maybe this is why it's also slightly cheaper. If we talk about value for money, I definitely think you should go with the model M3710 because apart from the attachment, it also has a bigger battery life and it's also slightly waterproof. It has an IP64 waterproof rating, while this one has IP46. So you'd be much better choosing this one. Maybe it's expensive, but in the long run, you'll be happy with this one. If we talk about the look and feel of both of these products, I think this one is better because it's slightly lighter and it fits in the palm of your hand more precisely, while this one is slightly uncomfortable to hold. So I think look and feel also goes to the M3710. So to conclude our videos, if I have to rate these products, I would give this one 4 out of 5 rock-ons and this one 3 out of 5 rock-ons. Because in the long run, you're much better off buying this one. But if you are on a budget crunch, you should go for the model BT3222. Thank you for watching this video, guys.